Today's celebrity-inspired haircut is Rami Malek, and if you want to learn how to get this haircut, then definitely watch the video. What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing the haircut of Rami Malek in the awesome series that was called Mr. Robot. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the haircut by creating a solid disconnection right into the temporal recession area, going throughout the sides and straight back. Fairly simple. I've gotten lots of requests for it. I'm going to breeze through this and then we'll break it down at the end. Let's start with the cut. Okay guys, here's a breakdown of the haircut. I used my magic clips right here, and I used a really with no guard. So it's basically a 000, which is the base guard for this, all the way right into here. And the best place to do this is right where the recession is, where the hairline starts to go back. That makes it somewhat balanced. If you go too high, it starts to look too much like a mohawk. This is kind of like that right in between where it's still kind of like a mohawk look, but you can see the severe disconnection. And I did that all the way throughout the back and on the other side. No fading, no guards, whatever, just straight up right into this area. And then the top was already kind of cut short, but I went back in and I just added some texture to it, and I did trim up the top a little bit into here. So the top is probably about 1.5 inches the most. Maybe this is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches the most, right into the front. So it goes like probably 1 inch, 1.5 inches to right in through here. And then I blow dried it, and then I used Shadow to style it. And here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys thought about the video. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go up 3 times a week. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.